Okay, I am going to show you how to add something to your stream that could be used for references. So if I want to add something to my stream, I can go ahead and I've got it in my drive already, and it has to do with IXL and kind of all the things they need to know about IXL for the year in terms of science. And so when I attach that document, I found it in Google Drive and I clicked on it, and now it's attached, and I am going to let the class know that this is a guide to help you understand all of the ins and outs of IXL for Mrs. Miller's class. So I attach the document and they can reference it, and I will hit post. It will go to all students. And there it is.